So, she has like an infant in the car, like a toddler.
Oh, okay.
So do you mind just kind of keeping an eye on the baby?
Sure.
Just for a moment.
Yeah.
Alright, so I just need to ask you some questions. Alright. Just stand right here. You can stand. I'll show you. Stand right here where this light is. That's center.
Okay.
Where it's most lighted.
There I am.
Alright. Place both your feet together. Arms turned by your side. Right. Maintain this position until instructed to do otherwise. Do you understand? Alright. Alright. I need you to focus your eyes on the tip of my pen right here. Follow the tip of my pen with your eyes only. Do not move your head. Continue to follow the tip of my pen until I instruct you to stop. Do you understand? Alright. Continue to follow the tip of my pen. Don't move your head. Keep your head straight. Keep your head looking forward. Just follow with your eyes, okay? Alright. Continue to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes only. Do not move your head. Okay, you can relax. Can you stand right here for me? Alright, face your car.
Alright.
Alright. So for this test, would you like to walk with your shoes on or with them off?
I prefer with my shoes on.
Okay. Alright. So we're going to use an imaginary line, okay? So right here between your feet, it's going to be our imaginary line. It's going to be a straight line. Right? It's a straight line.
Alright.
Alright, I'm going to get you set up in the starting position, okay?
Alright.
So place your left foot on the imaginary line. Alright? Place your right heel against the toe of your left foot.
Okay.
Alright, keep your arms by your side. Alright, maintain this position until I have completed giving you the instructions and showing you the demonstration. Do you understand? Do not start walking until I instruct you to start walking. Do you understand?
Alright.
Alright. When I tell you to start, take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line, turn, and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back down the line.
Okay.
On your turn, keep your front foot on the line and turn by taking a small series of steps with the other foot. Watch your feet while you walk. Count your steps out loud. Keep your arms by your side. Once you begin to walk, you do not stop until the test is completed. I'm going to demonstrate for you.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, but you're going to go all the way to 9. You're going to turn around by taking a small series of steps. 1, 2, 3, but you're going to go all the way to 9. Alright? You can start.
1,
2, 3. Okay, I already gave you instructions, so... I can't tell you to stop. You have to stop on your own. Are you done? You can tell me if you complete the test.
I don't know. You're giving me the test, so I've never even had a car ticket, really. So I don't know what to do. Yeah.
All right. So right now it's either you complete the test or you haven't.
I mean, what do you want me to do?
Okay, you can just relax. It's fine. Just relax right there. All right. Can you stand right here for me?
Yeah.
All right. Face the car. All right. So for this test, go ahead and place both your feet together. Matter of fact, step to your left 2 feet. All right, there we go.
I can't.
That's fine. All right, place both your feet together. Place your arms down by your side. Keep your back straight. All right. Maintain this position until I have completed giving you the instructions and showing you the demonstration. Do you understand? All right. Yes or no? Yes. Or no? All right. All right. When I tell you to start, raise either leg, keeping your raised foot approximately 6 inches off the ground and parallel to the ground. Keep your eyes on the raised foot. Keep your arms at your side. Keep both legs straight. While holding that position, count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003 until told to stop. I'm going to demonstrate for you. 1001, 1002, 1003. Okay, so you can't do it?
I'm not real sure that I can. And
Okay,
I don't really
try?
think I will try.
Okay, hold on. I didn't tell you to start. Did you understand the demonstration that I've given you?
Yes, you just want me to stand here and do this.
Okay, hold on a second. Don't start. Don't start. Hold on a second. Alright, so you can start. You can stop. You can relax. So would you be willing to blow your breath into this?
Sure.
Okay. So have you ever blown air into a balloon before?
A little bit.
A little bit. Okay, so it's like the same concept, okay?
You're giving me a breathalyzer?
Yes, ma'am.
For what?
So it's just gonna let me know if you've had any alcohol today, okay? So pretty much it's the same concept. It's blowing air into a balloon.
What did I do other than not switch lanes without? I mean, just give me a citation. You've put me through all of this now.
So.
All right, fine.
All right.
Okay.
So I'm gonna hold it. All right. So all you gotta do is take in a deep breath. Wrap your lips around the tip of this tube right here. Okay, not the whole thing.
Okay.
Just the tip. All right. And just blow out as hard as you can. All right. Now you gotta. It's a consistent breath. Okay. Hold on a second. Hold on.
Oh my God.
All right. It's a consistent breath until you hear a click. Okay. So I'm gonna demonstrate how you're supposed to blow. Okay, I'm gonna show you. So it's like, okay, hard as you can, consistently. Not in not in spurts. It's a consistent breath. Okay, we're gonna try it one more time. Okay, just one more time. Hold on a second. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So, ma'am, you say you have a child in the backseat of your car?
Yes.
Is it your child or someone else?
My grandson.
It's your grandson? Okay. Is there anyone that could come pick him up?
Why? What's going on?
Is there anyone that you could call like right now to come pick him up?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me who that person could be? Who
The parents.
The parents? All right. So it's gonna be a 30. All right.
A 30.
So, ma'am, can you just take a step forward for me?
Yes.
Can you place your hands behind your back for me?
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Where does the parents live? Where are they at? Where's that at? Okay, here's the deal. I mean, we want to work with you, right? But you're being arrested for DWI. Okay. The thing is we need to do something with your child, because if we don't, I got to take the kid to CPS, and that's what you want. So find somebody, give you.
Well, the handcuff's not gonna come off.
I'm not. I have.
Just don't lean back on them. I'm gonna see if I can get you some cover out here. Because I don't want you to be out here by yourself with a baby in the car and stuff. You know?
Well, that's actually a good idea.
Yeah. I'm gonna get on the radio.
Yeah, I'll get on the radio.
Okay.